Now that we've got your project started for your windows, I wanted to show you some of the things to expect moving forward.
So when we process our paperwork for your particular job here at the office, we manage each job professionally with a dedicated project manager for your project. We pre-site every installation, so each window is precisely measured for the proper opening.
All windows are delivered directly to our facility here in Citrus Heights from Anlin. Anlin is manufactured in Clovis, California. I wanted to show you our warehouse right here. Everything is stored, inspected. After everything's been inspected and is in great shape, we'll then call and schedule an installation date.
Now, prior to installation of the windows, window coverings will need to be removed. Wall coverings, things on shelves nearby, furnishings, desks, chairs, even beds can be a hindrance to the successful installation of a window project. And we ask that family heirlooms or breakables be removed by the homeowners to ensure their safety. So on installation day, we gather up all the materials we need and bring everything we need out to your house so we get everything done in an efficient manner. First, removal of the old windows take place. And of course, we dispose of all the old windows properly. And then the installation of the windows, expertly done by our true craftsmen here at Reliable. Of course, all insulation is done, caulking around all the windows.
It's a thankless job.
Some jobs require several people, others just one installer. And lastly, we'll give you instructions on how best to care for your windows, cleaning, maintenance. We'll show you how all the lock mechanisms work, how all the doors open and close, how those locks work. Lastly, from before to after, your Reliable Anlin window project will be a thing of beauty. Transforming your house, making your house more comfortable, quiet, energy efficient, but lastly, a thing of beauty. From our family to yours, have a reliable day.